In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets. Now, there is no direct integration between the two, so what we're going to do is use Zapier. So I've put the link for Zapier in the description of this video, and you either just want to sign up or you want to log in. And the easiest way to go about this, since there is a template for it, is just to use Copilot over here, and you can just search Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets, and you'll see here comes the template: capture new leads from Facebook lead ads and log details in Google Sheets. So once we click on that, we can just click on try it, and now it'll start building. And now we have our Zap on top and our action at the bottom. So let's set up our Zap first. So click on Facebook lead ads, and over here by account, you'll see the sign in option. You want to click on that. You need to click on allow. All right, so that's signed in. We're good to go there. And our trigger event is already set up. So here in the configure page is where we can choose the specific page that we need to use, and then our form, which I won't have any. And you can see the AI even has a recommendation for another step, but we'll ignore that for now. Next one I want to do is just log into Google Sheets. So we're just going to click sign in, click select all for these, and then hit continue. Now on the configuration section, you just want to choose your drive. And here on the spreadsheet, you want to choose the specific spreadsheet. Now I completely forgot to set up a spreadsheet for this, so let's jump to that quickly. So you can just create a blank spreadsheet and make sure to set up your headings. Very important. And once you've created your sheet, don't forget to give it a name. So just click on File and then Rename, or you can just click on the Untitled Spreadsheet section here. All right, and then we can go back to Zapier, and I'm just gonna click in here and refresh results. And there we go, you can see FB leads, and you can see the warning is coming up because I didn't set any headings. But again, I don't have any forms, so I won't be able to complete the Zap anyways. But once you're done with setting up your configuration on both of these, all you do is click continue at the bottom here, and then it'll set up test runs for your Zaps. Then the last thing you want to do is just hit test run. Check your Google Sheet to make sure that the information from the test run is running, and then hit publish. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.